In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Ubersuggest to find the best keywords for your YouTube videos. If you want your videos to reach more people, choosing the right keyword is one of the most important things you can do. A strong keyword helps YouTube understand what your content is about, and it also helps your video appear in search results for the right audience. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple process for finding useful keyword ideas, especially if you're targeting a specific language and region. First, open Ubersuggest and type in your main video keyword. This should be the core topic of your video, something your audience would naturally search for. For example, if your content is about Tamil tech content, you could enter a keyword like Tamil tech review. The goal here is to start with a broad phrase that clearly matches your video topic. Once you've entered the keyword, set the language and location filters based on your target audience. If your viewers are in India and your content is in Tamil, adjust the settings to India and Tamil. This step is very important because keyword trends can change depending on region and language. A term that performs well in one country may not be searched as often in another, so always make sure your data matches the audience you actually want to reach. After that, go to the keyword ideas section. This is where Ubersuggest gives you a deeper look at how people are searching for your topic. You'll be able to review search volume, which tells you how many people are searching for that keyword, competition, which helps you understand how difficult it may be to rank for it, and related keyword variations, including useful Tamil search phrases connected to your topic. As you review the results, focus on keywords that have a healthy search volume but lower competition. These are often the best opportunities because they give you a better chance of getting discovered without competing against the most crowded search terms. Also pay attention to variations that closely match what your video is actually about, since relevance matters just as much as numbers. Finally, take those high-volume, low-competition keywords and place them naturally into your YouTube video title, description, and tags. This helps strengthen your video's SEO and improves the chances that YouTube connects your content with the right viewers. Make sure the wording still sounds clear and natural because keyword stuffing can make your listing feel awkward. That's the full process. If you repeat this before publishing each video, you'll build a much stronger foundation for search visibility and long-term channel growth.